Hello, it's me again, and today I am going to put on this Natural Tox Apple Mask. And again, because I spend so much time in the sun, this is what I recommend you using. It's not only a, what do you call it, a mask. This is a sheet mask, what they call. And I know a lot of people haven't really heard of them, but they're so nice. And this is so good. You just kind of take it. It smells like apple. Oh my God, it smells so great. I kind of almost look like Michael Myers. But anyways, let me get this and this over my nose. So I'm just doing all these steps so you guys could see how easy it is to kind of take care of yourself. Because you know what? I think this might cover my nose a little right there. So I'm going to let this set. They say the same thing. Leave about a minute to 2 minutes. And this helps, again, to detox your skin and to give it that shiny appearance without all that extra hoopla. And well, it says don't tox, sit still, but you know, I'm Greek, we're always talking. And it's very refreshing though, this one. Oh my God, it feels so good. And the apple aroma, it's so nice. So you just sit here again for 1 minute while it's detoxing itself. We'll put it all up there. And then we'll take it off. So I'd love to hear what kind of masks you guys use. And, you know, we could always share ideas because sharing is caring. And that's always good to know. So we got about 28 seconds left. And then we'll rinse it off. And, well, here's to healthier, younger looking skin. And everybody wants that glow. And especially in the summer when we really don't wear makeup, you know, as far as like foundation and powders, I mean, I don't at all. I don't even use them. All I use is a very light lip tint. You know, I think this is good to always keep your hair, you know, face moisture and healthy and rejuvenated. Okay, we're down to about 11 seconds, so it's almost time. Ooh, that looks kind of scary too. Jeez. Okay. Here we go. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then you just peel it off. Wow. That felt good. And again, nice clean cloth. Wipe it all dry. Let it sit there. Okay, there you have it. I smell like an apple.